Hi everyone, back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can make a circle flash effect on CapCut PC. So for this to work, you need to use a black image as the background and then click on media, go to library and click on the BNW and choose the white image. Okay, add it to track, and then after that drag the image and put it at the top here. Okay, I'm going to make it smaller. Okay, after that go to mask, click on the white image and then go to mask and then choose circle, this one, and here add a keyframe at the beginning here. Okay, you can just go back and then go to basic, and in here I'm going to add a keyframe at the beginning and then zoom out the circle until it goes small like this, and then go to the end of the white image and here okay, add another keyframe and make add another keyframe and zoom in the circle until it cover the whole background. So I'm going to go with like this, and then go to animations, choose out and click on the fade out here and then adjust the durations. Okay, so here is the result for the circle flash effect, and after that you can export this video, and if you want to add the circle flash effect you can add it to your video later. Okay guys, so that is how you can make a circle flash effect in CapCut PC. I hope this tutorial will be helpful to you. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe and click on the thanks below. I'll see you all in the next tutorial. Bye bye.